Sonnet number 2 by William Shakespeare. Sonnet number 2 by William Shakespeare. When 40 winters shall besiege thy brow, and dig deep trenches in thy bounty's field, the youth's proud livery, so Gazdon now, will be a tottered weed of small worth hild. Then being asked where all thy bounty lays, where all the treasure of thy lusty dies, to sigh within thine own deep sunken eyes, where an all eaten sham and thriftless prize. How much more prize deserved thy bounty's use, if thou couldst answer, this fair child of mine shall sum me count, and make me old excuse, proving his bounty by succession thine. This were to be new mad, when thou art old, and see thy blood warm, when thou feelst it cold. If you'd like to hear me read more of Shakespeare's sonnets in a variety of 17th century accents, make a pledge at my Patreon account, where I'm recording them all at a rate of one per week.